All right, let's bring in Kris McCusker, who's filling in for Mike Epple this week over at 680. Kris, good morning to you.
Good morning. Happy Friday.
Oh, yes. Happy Friday. And we're talking some jobs data released later today.
Yeah, and it could be pretty interesting, Melanie. The last jobs report we got in November showed the creation of about 94,000 jobs. So that put our unemployment rate at close to a 40-year low. Jobs data to be released today. The Canadian dollar a little bit higher ahead of it. In the U.S., jobs data will be watched very closely. About 180,000 jobs expected, and Wall Street is very likely to take its cue from the jobs data. After that awful day yesterday, the Dow was down more than 600 points, the Nasdaq off by about 3%. Now, Dow futures are signaling a triple-digit gain to start the day. We did get some good news. U.S.-China trade talks slated to take place next week. So that's got investors, at least in the early going, in a better mood. Apple stock also looking to rebound today. It was down by about 10% yesterday after the company issued a very rare profit warning, blaming a slowdown in China. So that 10% drop was the biggest drop for those shares in about 6 years. Overnight, we heard that Apple is appealing a December 20th court ruling on a Qualcomm patent dispute. That's according to Reuters. So again, we are seeing this rebound in pre-market trade. It is the most actively traded, the stock essentially on sale. The company has lost more than $400 billion in market cap since November. And according to DesRochers Automotive Consultants, there was an 8% drop in December in car sales in Canada and a drop of 2.6% in 2018 overall. Now, this decline in 2018 does come after a record 2017. The drop in December for vehicles was also a 10th straight month of declines. That included a 12% drop for passenger car sales and a 6.5% drop for light trucks. Now, it's being described by DesRochers as a hit to the market, but we are still seeing fairly robust sales, and another drop is expected this year. Now, as far as the names that sort of stood out in some of this data, GM saw a drop of 30% in December, came in second, though, in total number of vehicles sold for the year. Ford ended the year as the top-selling brand in Canada. Devo.
So much, and have yourself a great weekend. Thankfully, it's Friday.
I know.
Still the holidays for some.
I almost forgot it was Friday, but
well, that's
then I
it.
remembered.
If people are on holidays, it's just another day.
I know, right?
Thanks so much. Enjoy your weekend.
Yeah, take care.